Again, welcome to today's topic. That is, I want to speak about is what the innovation techniques. Innovation techniques about the particular current scenario. As I want to speak about the particular current innovation techniques, you see that nowadays, due to this pandemic, our world has come into a big problem. But I want to tell you that our innovation, our Indian innovation, our Indian techniques will fall at a good place and achieve a good rankings in coming ahead days. You see, Gujarat is good for business. Okay, you see particularly other states. Every state in our India and Karnataka is also famous for. So every state has its own importance and they have using innovation technologies also. You see, our India is very good in the particular mobiles, our particularly cars, technologies. Our Indian scientists and our Indian intelligent people are spread all over the world. About 16% of our Indian people are spread all over the world, and due to the intelligence, all other countries also have appreciate our Indians. So being our Indians, see innovation techniques. Who created zero? We are Indians. Brought up our particular Indian technologies? Okay, you see there is computers age. Nowadays, many things have changed. So coming ahead is, I think so that due to innovation and technology, India is having a good place all over the world. Nowadays only I saw that particularly our Harshvardhan, our minister was appointed as a particular WHO board for the particular health. And another one thing I want to say that Infosys Narayan Murthy, he is also one of the particular software pillar of Karnataka. And I want to talk about Azim Premji, Wipro Foundation. I want to talk about a particular Sudha Murthy, a particular CSR, corporate social responsibility and social welfare. I want to talk about our Dhirubhai Ambani, our Mukesh Ambani. So these are the particular persons who are, due to their business, have brought the innovation techniques to into India. Our India is a mixture of talent. So I want to tell you that mixing particular talent with the particular innovation technologies, India, and I think so that Indians should get more responsibilities, more opportunities than any other things. Because I support India. That means I am not supporting about particular other countries also, but Indians has a good place all over the world. Innovation, innovative technologies, computers age, softwares, and I want to talk about management techniques. In that intelligence, India are ahead days. Coming ahead days, I want to tell that India will achieve a good ranking in society, particular all over the world. Nowadays, you think so. A perfect example is that due to this pandemic, Narendra Modi leadership is appreciated all over the world, and I want to heads off and give more kudos and credits to our Narendra Modi leadership and his team for bringing this pandemic under good control. And I want to tell that India is going to be under free zone, and all the construction field and other particular architect field, teaching field and software field and social media field will be in good ahead demand coming days. And this online classes which are taking will be more effective, because I think so in coming ahead 2020 more online teaching, online marketing will get a more importance. Innovation, modern age coming at day by day is increasing, and I want to tell you that this importance will gain a very good ahead role and has an important key role to play in coming ahead days. Thank you for the particular innovation techniques and a particular their importance in coming ahead days. Thank you.